If you want to make $4,000 plus per month, working from home with no degree and no experience required, I am about to show you a method that is hiring right now in 2026. You will be working as a virtual assistant for real estate agents using platforms like Zillow. And companies are paying anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000 per month for full-time remote work. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what this job is, what you will be doing, where to find clients, and how to get hired fast. Let's get right into it. If you are new to my channel, my name is Vanity, and I talk about real ways to make money online and build passive income using what you already have so you can create more freedom in your life. All right, let me break down this entire method. So here's what a real estate virtual assistant actually does. You work remotely for real estate agents and help them manage their business so they can focus on selling homes. Your typical task: managing listings on Zillow, realtor.com, and other platforms, responding to leads and inquiries, scheduling showings and appointments, data entry and CRM management, social media posting, email marketing, and creating property flyers and graphics. You are basically the behind the scene support that keeps their business running smoothly. And here is the best part. You don't need a real estate license. You don't need a college degree. You don't need any experience to start. You just need to be organized, good at communication, and willing to learn. As long as you have all three of those, you are good to go. Let's talk about realistic income. According to current 2026 data, the average annual pay for a virtual real estate assistant in the United States is $50,749 a year, which works out to approximately $24.40 an hour. So that breaks down to $975 a week. Most virtual real estate assistant salaries currently range between $42,500 to $57,000, with top earners making $65,500 annually. If you work part-time, which is 20 hours per week, you can expect to make around $2,000 to $2,500 a month. Full-time, which is 40 hours per week, gets you that $4,000 to $5,000 per month. And as you gain experience, you can increase your rates and work with multiple of clients to earn even more. If you are finding this helpful so far or learn anything new, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. I post videos like this every week, showing you real strategies to make money online. And watching all the way through really helps YouTube shows this to more people who needs it. All right, let's keep going. Here's what you need to get started. You need these basic skills: good written communication, that's emails, texts, and social media; organization and time management; ability to learn new softwares quickly; and you need attention to details. These are the tech tools you will use. You use Zillow, and that's for managing property listings; realtor.com, which is the same as Zillow; Google Workspace, which is Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Docs. You will also need a CRM software. Agents will typically train you, and they might even tell you what software that they are using. The other software you will need is Canva, and that is to create social media flyers. And you need access to social media, Facebook, Instagram, and that will be used for posting listings. Here's the truth: you don't need to be an expert at any of these. You just need to be tech savvy enough to learn quickly. Now, let me show you exactly where to find these jobs. The first way is freelancing platforms. You can search on Upwork real estate virtual assistant, and you can create a gig on Fiverr, offering real estate virtual assistant services. You can also apply to posted jobs on freelancer.com. The next option is virtual assistant specific companies. My Outdesk specializes in real estate virtual assistant. Reva Global hires remote real estate assistants. Belay, I think that's how you say it. Belay connects virtual assistants with clients. Time, etc. hires experienced VAs. These companies handles finding clients for you. You just apply, get hired, and they match you with agents. The third option is direct outreach. Reach out to real estate agents directly on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook groups. Send them a simple message like, "Hi, I am a virtual assistant specializing in helping real estate agents manage their Zillow listings, respond to leads, and handle administrative tasks. I would love to help free up your time so you can focus on closing deals. Would you be open to a quick chat?" Here's how you will land your first client even if you have zero experience. The first step is you will need to create a portfolio. The second step will be offer a trial period. Tell agents, "I will work for you at half price so you can see the value I bring." This removes their risk and gets you into the door. Step 3 is get testimonials. After your first few clients, ask them for a short testimonial or review. Post those on your Upwork profile, LinkedIn, or website. The fourth step is learn as you go. Watch free YouTube tutorials. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. Here are a few tips to maximize your income. Tip 1 is specialize. Instead of being a general virtual assistant, focus only on real estate. Tip 2 is offer packages. Instead of charging hourly, offer monthly packages. The third tip is work with multiple of clients. Once you are good, you can start managing 2 to 3 agents at the same time and double or triple your income. The last tip is upsell additional services. You can offer things like social media management, email marketing campaigns, and video editing for property tours. All right, so that's how you can make $4,000 plus per month working from home as a real estate virtual assistant using platforms like Zillow. No experience is needed to start, just organization, communication, and willing to learn. Apply to a few jobs today and see what happens. But if you want to see side hustle apps that pay you without needing any clients or services, you need to watch this next video. That video shows you 5 apps that pays better than delivery apps like DoorDash with less driving and less wear on your car. Click that video next and I will meet you there.